In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to Notion, creating a seamless workflow between these two powerful productivity tools. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. This step assumes that you're already logged into your Google account. Once you have Google Calendar open, direct your attention to the left sidebar under the section labeled My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of all the calendars you have access to. Hover over the calendar you want to integrate into Notion. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear beside it. Click on these three dots, which will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll find the specific configurations necessary for embedding your calendar into Notion. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the section titled Access Permissions for Events. In this section, you'll need to turn on the option labeled Make Available to Public. It's important to note that this step is essential for embedding, as it ensures that your calendar can be publicly shared and viewed. Keep in mind this setting will make your calendar publicly accessible, so use it for calendars that you are comfortable sharing. Next, continue to scroll down until you encounter Integrate Calendar. Here, you have the option to copy either the public URL or the embed code. Simply choose one that fits your comfort level. Both will effectively allow you to embed your calendar into Notion. Having copied the appropriate URL or code, your next stop is Notion. Open the Notion page where you'd like to display your Google Calendar. In the body of your page, type embed to prompt Notion's command line for embeds. Then paste the link or URL you just copied from Google Calendar. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also directly paste the URL into the Notion page. After pasting, you'll want to select the option Create Embed. This action will securely add your calendar to the page, providing a visual representation of your events. Once embedded, you'll see your Google Calendar neatly integrated within your Notion page. However, it's crucial to note that the calendar will be in read-only mode. This limitation means that while you can view your events and schedules, you won't be able to edit or make changes to events through Notion itself. For editing, you'll need to return to Google Calendar. There you have it, a perfectly streamlined way to keep your schedule accessible within Notion without needing to jump between different applications. This integration can significantly boost efficiency by keeping all your tools in